Hey guys, today we're going to talk about hardy agaves. We have several of them in our garden. I believe that one's Purii, and they do make offsets. Plant them in well-draining soil in full sun. Not sure what this one is. It did get partially damaged, but it is still alive. And then we have Agave Americana. I think I got to take that off. There is a little bit of damage on this thing, but the suckers made it. I'll poke my frickin' eyes out here. And take that off. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like it is actually opening. Oh, God, they're nasty. Right there. Ah, ha, ha. Okay, so it definitely made it. A little bit beat up. And then we have another one out here we've had for years. And they do bloom on Salt Spring because I got videos of them blooming in other people's gardens. There, they make offsets. And then we have one in there that's been outside forever. That has been outside since I moved here 3 decades ago. It was a tiny little thing when I planted. I brought it from my last location. Never been damaged. So there's another agave growing under the shade of euphorbias and Pittosporum tibera. So anyway, try one in your own garden. There's many species of agave. Just make sure you pick the hardy ones, okay? They are very, very cold hardy plants, and they look super amazing in your cactus garden. Thanks for watching. Cheers.